The topic is design of experiments. Okay, so first we will see why we need to design experiment. Okay, so what is the purpose of designing an experiment? Okay, so before seeing that, we will see what is experiment. Experiment is a device or a means of getting an answer to a problem under consideration. Okay, so for a problem we want to get an answer. Okay, so to get an answer we will do experiment. Okay, so experiment is a device or means of getting an answer to a problem under consideration. Okay, that is experiment. Okay, then we will see why we need to design experiment. See, to get a valid answer or conclusion or result, okay, to get a valid answer or conclusion or result, one have to design experiment. Okay, so we are designing an experiment to get a valid answer or conclusion or result. Okay, so that is the purpose of designing an experiment. See, for example, in the previous problem we want to compare the effect of board teaching, PPT teaching, an online mode of teaching on student performance in an exam. Okay, so this is a problem. Okay, so to find solution for this problem, one have to conduct an experiment. Okay, so this is a problem. To find the solution, that is to find which mode of teaching is best, we want to conduct an experiment. Okay, so to conduct an experiment, the factor influencing are, okay, all the students IQ level, all the students IQ level will not be same. Okay, and some students can go for tuition or extra coaching class, and third one will be the family or economic condition of the students. Okay, so these three factors will influence the performance of a student in exam. Okay, so these three factors will influence the performance of the students in exam. Okay, so we want to reduce these factors. Okay, we want to eliminate these factors. Okay, and similarly in problem 2 we can see, in comparing the different level of fertilizer application on yield of rice plant. Okay, in this problem, what are the factors influence the experiment are the fertility level of soil, okay, which vary from plot to plot, and also climatic condition. Okay, so these two factors will have an effect on the plant yield. Okay, so we want to eliminate these factors. Okay, to get the better result. Okay, so in this two problem there are many factors that influence an experiment. Okay, so we want to see, our objective of experiment is we want to find only the effect of treatment on the object. Okay, that by reducing the variation from all other sources. Okay, so that is we want to reduce the variation in any experiment. We want to reduce the variation. Okay, we want to find only the effect of treatment on the subject. Okay, so to address this issue we are going for design of experiments. Okay, so in both the previous problem we have many factors, okay, that cause variation. Okay, so in the problem 1 there are 3 factors that cause variation, and in problem 2 there are 2 factors that cause variation. So we want to reduce this variation and we want to find only the effect of treatment on the subject. Okay, so to do this we are going for design of experiments. Design of experiments was the design of experiments was given by R.A. Fisher. Okay, so what is the definition is, it is defined as the logical construction of the experiment in which the degree of uncertainty with which the inference is drawn may be well defined. Okay, so we are we are forming a well planned structure to draw a valid conclusion. Okay, that is we are reducing the variation, okay, in experiment by forming a well planned structure. Okay, so that is design of experiments. So design of experiments means it is defined as the logical construction of the experiment in which the degree of uncertainty with which the inference is drawn may be well defined. Okay, so this is the definition of design of experiments, and that is, we can say it is it is a well planned structure to draw a valid conclusion. Okay, so these design of experiments include the subject matter of the design. Okay, that is planning of experiment. Okay, second one will be the obtaining relevant information from it, and third one will be making a statistical analysis of the data. Okay, so these three are the basic subject matter of okay, these three are the basic subject matter of the design of experiments. Okay, that is, we want to plan the experiment. Okay, and we want to obtain relevant information from it, and third, we want to do statistical analysis. Okay, so in the third part, okay, since most of the experiment consists of comparing more than two means, so ANOVA technique is applied in design of experiments. Okay, so we will apply the ANOVA technique in design of experiments, because in most of the experiment we want to compare more than two means. Okay, so we are applying the ANOVA technique in the design of experiments. Okay, in the third part we will do the ANOVA.